Welcome, readers! Are you ready for our next read-along? Remember, as readers, we want to make sure that we read with expression and not like a robot. As you are reading today, make sure to pay attention to how Piggy is feeling. What are the expressions on her face? And what is the punctuation in the writing? Think about how Piggy is feeling and try to show her feelings in your voice. Again, I will be Gerald, and I will be trying to think about how Gerald is feeling as he's trying to dance, while you think about how is Piggy feeling as she's trying to teach Gerald to dance. Here we go. Elephants Cannot Dance. A story written and illustrated by Mo Willems. I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants cannot dance. No. Look it up. Page 11. You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Let's dance. Oof. Jump! I was a little late on the jump. We will try again. We will try again. We will try again. Up down, spin, stop, forward, backward, wiggle waggle, robot walk, enough! I have tried and tried and tried and tried and tried, but I am an elephant, and elephants just cannot dance. Plop. Hello! We are ready to learn some moves. Silly, we do not want you to teach us. We want to learn the elephant. Teach me, please. Me too. More feeling. Keep trying. You are getting it.